In this video, we're gonna make waffles with Kodiak mix. So, first thing that you're gonna do is add in your Kodiak mix. I'm just gonna add a little bit because I'm not gonna eat that much. That seems good. Because that's all I'm gonna eat. I'm just gonna make like 1 or 2 waffles. Put it back in. Egg. Oh, I just realized I didn't tell you guys what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your mix. It can be Kodiak, whatever mix. Milk, and 1 egg. Okay. Now you're gonna get your egg. Crack it.
Do you want vanilla?
What?
Do you want vanilla?
Oh yeah, you can't. Yeah, I was gonna add vanilla. My mom just had a brilliant idea to add vanilla. We're gonna add vanilla, so I have to go get the vanilla. Vanilla. Got my vanilla. Okay, now I'm just gonna add my milk. I'm doing Fairlife, but you can do any type of milk, it doesn't matter. Smells good to me. Okay, I'm just doing 1/3 of a cup at a time. I'm just eyeballing it. You don't want these to be too watery, and you don't want to overmix them. Put this back on, and then time to put in our vanilla. I'm just gonna do a teaspoon, which is just as much as this cap. Vanilla doesn't taste good. I've tried it. Yeah, I have.
You don't try straight up pure. That's not good.
Yeah, but one time you let me try it, cause it dripped off my finger and I tried it.
Yeah.
It was weird, but cool.
Yeah, for no. Yeah, it's alcohol.
Then it's alcohol? No one told me that. Now you're just gonna whisk it all together. And if it's too watery, then just add more of your mix or flour. If you're doing homemade ones, then that's okay too. Mine's a little chunky, so that means I need to add a little more milk. Make sure to get all the edges to get all of the flour. You know, it's not that bad. I don't think, yeah, the chunks just went away.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, like I said before, you don't want to overmix it. Where did I put it? This one? Okay. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Like that. So now, my waffle thingy is heating up. So I'm just gonna put all of this nonsense away, and then we're gonna make our waffles. So you're gonna get a spoon, and then I'm gonna take it over there next to my waffle iron. This is the waffle iron, and first you need to add butter, or you can add olive oil or something. You can put butter or oil, whatever you prefer. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Try not to burn myself here. Just add a little bit of butter so it doesn't stick, you know? Oh. Put some on the top too. Butter on the top. Okay, that should be good. And don't forget, you're gonna need your plate. But let's add in our batter. Just do a little bit at a time. Just gonna put it in. It's okay if it oozes out, but I already put my batter in, so I have to close it. And now we wait. So yeah, I have to go clean up now, but let's just get our plate. There's this plate. There we go. Plate. And I'm gonna go clean up. Okay, I didn't really make a big waffle, but it's only been like a minute like a minute or so, and the waffle is already done. So let me get it out and show you guys. It's not that big. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's actually not. Here we go. That's one waffle. Yeah, and I'll go make some more. And I'll be showing you guys on different angles. I'm back. Let's make another waffle. Okay, so I need to show you guys what the waffle thingy looks like. Right, what's the switch? This is the waffle thing, and this is my batter. This is what it should look like. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, for some weird reason, it just cut me off, so I need to do this real quick. And now you can just smooth it out. And now we just have to close it. See you in a minute. There we go. This is my one lonely pancake here. So I guess this is like a part 2, I guess, because for some reason it like cut me off. But yeah, here we go. Here was our pancake. I'm gonna go put some butter on it. Okay guys, I think it is done. I mean, it looks done. Let's see. Okay, it just fell down and that looks ready, so let's put it on our plate. And these are the waffles that I was just gonna make today. I only wanted 2, so now we're just gonna unplug the waffle maker. And I have all this leftover batter for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna butter up these waffles. And then I'm just gonna eat them. Yeah. Okay, I haven't done the most important part. I have to taste it. Okay. It needs to have some syrup on it, but I don't have any, so yeah. It's good though. And this one's for you guys. Oh yeah, I could just use some blue agave syrup. And this one is for you guys.